Welcome to DTD Auto Vietnam, a place that gives you the opportunity to learn with high technical standards, pedagogical professionalism, and the best quality, high efficiency in application for learners, and is one of the top training destinations leader in the area for PGM-FI, ABS and Smart Key Motorbike Technician. To reserve a booking online for our class, please follow these steps. Please visit our website, open a web browser, and enter the web address, dtdauto.com here. At the main interface of DTD Auto website, on the main menu bar, select Training, and then select Motorcycle Training Courses. Here, you can find all the information you need to know to register for a course on motorbike electricity and electronics as follows. Training Courses contains relevant information about training courses. Before registering, please carefully read the full details of the training course here. Fuel Injection System Training Course, code EFI, times 5 days. In each main module, there will be specific detailed information such as 1. Theory of the system. 2. Practice on the system. 3. Results achieved for students. Smart Key System Training Course, code SMA, time 3 days. ABS System Training Course, code ABS, time 2 days. Before registering, please carefully read the full details of the training course here. Tuition fee, tuition and living expenses for each student come from countries. Register, books training courses. Why DTD Auto? The reason you should study at DTD Auto. Images of DTD Auto training courses. Overview. Learn more about us and why we are the top choice for your career development. Contact. Here, you will read more information and can contact us. If you have any further questions or require support, do not hesitate to contact us. After carefully reading the information about the training course content and registering for the training course, please refer to additional information about tuition and other costs to ensure you clearly understand the course, such as food, hotel, domestic transportation, and expenses for purchasing other necessary repair tools and equipment. You need to carefully study the content of the modules in DTD Auto's training course, including 3 main modules: PGM-FI system, Smart Key system, ABS system. You can choose each module, or you can choose all 3 modules above. For each choice you make, the system will automatically calculate the total cost as below. Finally, click the Register button and fill in all required information. After you have entered all the information, please press Register to submit the information. The screen displays asking for confirmation again. Please click Send Info to complete. We hope you will have a great training course at DTD Auto Vietnam. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need more information or have any other questions. If you like the content and want to update the latest videos from DTD Auto's channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications to receive notifications every time there is a new video. Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and visit our social media pages for more updates. Thank you and see you in the next videos.